Assalamu alaikum class 5. I am your English teacher from Malad School. Today I am going to start my second lecture. Students, open your book at page number 6, unit 1, lesson 4, sentences. Look at the exercise number 1. Talk about the people in the pictures. You have to tell what these people are doing. Unit 1, lesson 4, exercise 1. Talk about the people in the picture. In the first picture, he has gone sailing. In the second picture, she has been buying fruit. In the third, she has gone shopping. He has been eating an ice cream. He has gone diving. Dad has been painting the door. She has been making popcorn. They have gone flying. They have been playing football. They have gone riding. They have been playing hockey. Students, in exercise number 2, listen and put the pictures in order. You can get the help from the page number 110 and put the picture in order. In exercise number 3, listen again and circle the correct word or phrase. I went on or for on an expedition. Second one is I started walking over or round the hill. Round the hill. Third one is the wild bear was far away or very close. Far away. I walked across along the river carefully. Across. A train came past fast later that day. Came past later that day. Friends, now open your page number 7, unit 1, lesson 5. Here are some sentences. You can get the help from page 110 and make the sentences. This is your task, so do it by yourself. Assalamu alaikum class 5. Today I am going to solve the exercise of unit 1, sentences. Students, open your book at page 8. Read the following sentences, put the punctuation marks and then say if it's a statement, question, imperative or exclamatory sentence. Write the answers in your notebook. Switch off the television. Imperative. I went to see a Harry Potter film yesterday. This is a statement. Here will be full stop. Please don't make a noise. Here should be full stop, and this is an imperative sentence. Have you read today's newspaper? This is interrogative, and here will be question mark. Write suitable questions for these statements. Write them in your notebook. First one answer is I have misplaced the pen you gave me. You have to make the questions here. Where is my pen? Here will be question mark. Second one is the king wanted the nightingale to sing a song every day. The question can be what did the king want? Sophie will finish her training in July. When will Sophie finish her training? The children are happy because they are being taken to a movie. Why are the children happy? The baby is sleeping inside. Where is the baby? Exercise B, rewrite the following exclamatory sentences as statement in your notebook. One example has been done for you. Students, you have to change these exclamatory sentences into statement sentences. What a cold day. This is an exclamatory sentence because here is the exclamatory mark. You have to make it statement sentence. It is a cold day. Cold. Here should be full stop. Be quiet. Keep quiet. How proud I am to hear that you have topped the entrance test. I am proud to hear that you have topped the entrance test. What a miracle. It is a miracle. Alas, his mother is no more. His mother is no more. Page number 9, exercise C, write suitable statements for these questions. Write them in your notebook. When did you return from London? I returned from London yesterday. Where has Mrs. Bond gone? He has gone to London. Have you finished reading the book? Yes, I have. Does Patty make ceramic pottery? No, she doesn't. Have you seen the film The Jungle Book? Yes, I have seen. Write 2 sentences in your notebook for each of the following types of sentences. Students, you have to make 2 sentences for each sentence. First of all, make 2 statement sentences, 2 interrogative sentences, 2 imperative sentences, and 2 exclamatory sentences. This is your task.